What is your purpose in life? Would you like to know? Hi, I'm TJ Walker, and I am a personal development guru, and I'm here to tell you what your purpose in life is. Are you ready? Time out, time out. Have you ever heard someone tell you that? If you hear someone else tell you that they know what your purpose in life is, my advice, run. Hang on to your wallet, because the person's probably trying to pick it right now, and run away quickly. Nobody, and I mean nobody but you, can decide your purpose in life. Now, some people know at a very early age. Apparently, Tiger Woods knew at age 3 he was destined to be a world-class golfer. At age 3, I knew that I liked watching TV and eating candy. So don't feel bad. Don't feel like you're in a sad situation if you didn't know at age 3 or age 10 or right now, whether you're 17, 23, 59, or 82. It is never too late to find purpose. Let's step back for a minute and first of all figure out what isn't your purpose in life. Now, I'm going to make some bold, sweeping generalizations here. Forgive me if you feel it really doesn't apply to you, but here they are. Your purpose in life is not to go to an office, fill out a bunch of forms, do boring email messages and phone calls, and just count down the seconds to 5 o'clock each day and to 5 o'clock on Friday so you don't have to work for the whole weekend. That's not your purpose in life. Now, it may be what you're doing now. It may be something you've had to do or will have to do for part of your life, but it's not your purpose in life. So we can take that off the list. Your purpose in life is not to sit around and watch TV and YouTube videos. You may enjoy doing that. You may do it some of the time. You may do it for part of each day, but that isn't your purpose in life. You may enjoy sitting around and drinking and smoking pot with friends. I'm not here to pass judgment, but that's not your purpose in life. Purpose doesn't have to be as grand as I'm going to be the next Michelangelo, or I'm going to be the next Steve Jobs, or I'm going to save the world from war and hunger. It doesn't have to be that grand. A purpose, though, is a way for you to do something meaningful in life, something that you enjoy, something that you are good at, something that other people value. They either value the expertise, the product or service you deliver, that you somehow entertain them, engage them. There's some value there. Your purpose could be taking care of elderly people who need someone to listen to them and feed them. That's a noble purpose if you truly enjoy that. Your purpose could be writing best-selling books, winning Olympic gold medals. It could be starting your own internet company or app and becoming an entrepreneur. There's no one purpose for everyone. In fact, there's no one purpose even for you. All of us are capable of many, many things in life. The hard part for many of us is figuring out of 10, 20, 30, 50 good things I could do, what do I want to do? My advice, if you don't know with 100% certainty what your life purpose is you have to experiment. You have to increase the velocity at which you try and fail different things. And by fail, I don't mean you didn't instantly get rich or instantly become the best in the world. But if you try something new and you don't really enjoy it, and you're not making money, and you're not helping people, and you're not getting any positive feedback, then you could say, okay, that was a type of failure. Every really successful purpose and person in life has had failure. I've had failures. I've had podcasts that failed. I've had TV shows that failed. But they were all learning lessons for me. They were all ways for me to figure out, okay, this isn't my main purpose, but I learned a skill that I can transfer over here to my next purpose. Now, there are a lot of people out there who just say, follow your passion, follow your passion, follow your passion. Yes and no. Here's the problem. A lot of us have a passion for things like being a Hollywood movie star, being the next Madonna. And the problem is so much of success in those fields is about luck, random luck that you cannot control. There are a tiny number of slots available. And it may be that you're just not one of the 10 most talented actors in the world, even though you were the best person in your high school and college in the local plays. So it's not enough to just be passionate about a particular field. What you need to do is to figure out an overlap between what is there a passion for, what are you good at, what do other people value, what does the marketplace want? When it comes to a passion that is your driving profession. Now you can have a passion in life for painting on weekends and evenings, but that's not your main purpose in life. A purpose could be you want to bring art to millions of people, and you perhaps start a non-profit foundation raising tens of millions of dollars to get paintbrushes to every kid in the world who doesn't have a paintbrush. That could be a real purpose in life. It doesn't have to be that big, though. Many people make the mistake if they try something, they don't have an instant success. It's not just bells and whistles and standing ovations, so they give up. Big mistake. So many of the greatest talents in the world, the people you look at and say, wow, that person really has purpose, didn't start off that way. They started off digging, going deeper and deeper and deeper in a particular niche. And over time, they developed expertise. And over time, more and more people relied on them and talked about them and sought out their help and their advice. By going deeper and deeper and deeper and learning harder skills, it made them truly valuable in their communities, their states, their country, and the world. And that gives their life purpose. I can tell you, many, many years ago, I didn't start off as a public speaking presentation coach. But I had so many other things fail, talk radio shows, TV shows, other things. I kind of, frankly, fell into it. But by going deeper and deeper and writing about it every day, and making videos every day, and publishing books on public speaking and media training, after a while, I became recognized as one of the top experts in the entire world. This gave me purpose. It gave me a strong sense of purpose in life. It was frankly enjoyable to fly around the world, train presidents of countries, prime ministers, Nobel Peace Prize winners, how to communicate effectively. And I did that for many, many years. And still, that's a part of my practice as a personal development coach. But I didn't just wake up one day and say, I want to coach other people how to speak. That wasn't the initial thing. But by trial and error, by going deeper and deeper, it evolved. And with so many talents in the arts, in the sciences, in engineering, in business, that's what it's about. Constant experimentation. And looking for that mix of what do you enjoy? What would you do even if they didn't pay you? And what are you good at? You can enjoy something and not be very good at it. I enjoy tennis. No one is ever going to pay me to play tennis. I'm just not that good. So you've got to find what you enjoy, what you're good at, what do people value, what's hard that you're willing to continue to learn how to get better and better. Do that, and you will find your life purpose.